What if you could instantly turn your notebook into a clear mind map, report, or table with just few clicks? Today I will show you how to create a perfect mind map, report, and table in just few minutes. And you can do this without any effort and proper skills. So I will show you right now. This is the interface of NotebookLM. Understand anything, and below this there is the option try NotebookLM. Simply click on this. When I click on create new option, now you can see there is again multiple options over there: upload file, website, drive, copy text, and also there is a search bar above this. So I already prepared a file for table for mind map preparation. So I will click on upload file, and now you can see there is options available over there where I can add sources. So I will upload it here. You can see according to that there is a summary in the center, and if I want to do some changes I can do it. And also there is multiple options where I can upload some information for drive from drive, so I can do it. But I think it's ready, and the summary is okay. I can proceed for report. So I will click on reports option, and now you can see there is multiple options available over there that I can proceed with. There is option of create your own, briefing documents, study guide, blog post, scholarly article, monograph, everything that I need I can proceed from here. It's really very beneficial thing and really very simple. Beside that, you can also do changes according to your requirements. You can change the language and also description. If you want, you can do it from here. So if I think that it's okay, I will click on generate option. Now it will take a while, and in just few seconds you can see report is ready. I uploaded a PDF of many pages, but from that PDF they just create a precise and a perfect and organized report for me. This is really very beautiful and very professional. If you share this report with anyone, so they can easily, without any effort, they will understand this, because you can see they just make some table, and also they give headings, everything they include in my report. Beside that, I will proceed for the mind map. I will click on that. In just few seconds, you can see they just make mind map according to the uploaded file. So now you can see there is options from where you can expand the information of mind map, just like this. And above this there is the option of download. You can download in a very good quality, and then later you can use in your presentation, and also you can share with your professor, with your supervisor, and also if this is assignment, so you can share with your teacher. For now I will close this and proceed for table. I will click on data table, and now you can see according to that uploaded file NotebookLM will make, and now our table is ready. So just look at the headings and also the rows and columns and information that is mentioned in the table. This is really very organized, and it's really look professional. Believe me, if you have a short time and you want to do some complex work, so you can use NotebookLM, and it's really very beneficial platform where you can learn and deliver in a very short time. In NotebookLM, we have option of slide deck. So what we can do, we can make a presentation and slide and NotebookLM in just few minutes. So for that is when you log into NotebookLM, there is option of create. Simply click on that, and after that you will see there is multiple options available over there. If you want to upload a file, you can upload, and if you want to paste the text, the prompt that you write for the, the presentation, so you can paste it here. I will carefully read all this information, and then I will click on insert to proceed for further slides and other information. In just few seconds it will give us some options. NotebookLM will give us some information and options. According to that, we can give a proper shape to our presentation, to our task that we are going to prepare in NotebookLM. After adjustment of information in NotebookLM search bar, you can say chatbot, so they just finalize the prompt and the slide detail that I just uploaded here. So now I will proceed for slide deck option. So if you want to click on slide deck, so they will start making slides for you, but beside that there is a option of pin, so you can click on that and you will get some more options, like you can change the language from here, and also you can say there is a option where you can describe the requirement of your task. There is also option of length, like you can go with the short and default. It's completely on you. You can describe your requirements, and according to that, NotebookLM will give a shape to your presentation. And after all these things, I will click on generate, and now you will see NotebookLM will create a perfect slides for me. So it's ready. I will click on that. So now you can see the AI revolution. This is the topic of my file that I just added here in NotebookLM. Just look at the slides and the icon, the pictures, the colors, everything is really beautiful. You can do some more changes if you want. If no, then there is an option of download. Simply download and proceed for your presentation. If this is assignment, so you can proceed for submission, but I will always suggest that do some research and do some hard work. This is something that you can use as a basic idea, but later you can use your own you can say your skills and also your talent that will give a proper shape to your presentation to avoid AI plagiarism. So you should really do all these things carefully, because there is some software that will detect AI plagiarism. So that's all from my side. If you like the video, hit the bell icon and subscribe Knowledge Elevator. See you in next video. Have a good day.